Today I'm going to show you how I engraved this 40-ounce tumbler using my Thunderbolt laser. And this is one of the ones that we dyed in a previous video, and honestly it turned out way better than I could have imagined. Alright, so this is our MakerFlo gold and white 40-ounce tumbler that we have dyed purple. So we're going to throw it in the laser and see how it engraves and cleans up. I'm super obsessed with this new method until they come out with new colors, because now you can have any color you want. Mine is a little bit uneven of a dye just because I didn't use a big pot, so make sure you check out that other video if you're interested in learning how to do that. But so let's throw it in this laser. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to get this level so that we can do our full wrap. And so I'm just going to use this level that I 3D printed some feet on, and these are going to be available in my shop very soon. Alright, that looks perfect. And so now that we got that, we can autofocus our laser here. And I'm going to focus it right on the high spot right there. Alright, now that that is done, we can set our origin here. So let's frame it out and see. Alright, looks like I need to put it up just a tiny bit. Alright, we'll set that origin and then we'll frame it back up again. Alright, now that is perfect. Alright, and we are using the 4-inch lens. That way it will compensate for the gaps here because we tilted it. Alright, let's get it started. So now we can get this off of the laser and go and clean it up. But so far, it's looking pretty cool. Alright, so we have our engraved dyed cup, and I am going to spray our degreaser on it. And then I typically let this kind of soak for a minute or so, just because I think it works better. I don't really know if it does or not, but it makes me think it does. And then we are going to be using my little Halloween scrub daddy here to clean it up. Alright, and now for the moments of truth. But you can definitely see that awesome powder coating is shining underneath, and this looks amazing. Alright, and this thing turned out great. You can still see the gold electroplating underneath. I probably could have upped my power a little bit to get it a little bit more shiny, but overall this thing turned out so great. Honestly, this was just an experiment to see if we could actually dye these tumblers and then engrave them and have the dye not come off, and it is a success. I am very curious if we could even dye this handle as well. Well guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, if you're going to try it, if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. So let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Bye.